Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at theoretical probability of compound events. Remember that a compound event includes two or more simple events such as flipping a coin and rolling a number cube. With these compound events, we're going to be looking at diagrams and charts to help us answer questions about them. A sandwich shop prepares sandwiches with one type of bread, white or wheat, one type of meat, ham, turkey, or chicken, and one type of cheese, cheddar or Swiss. Each combination is equally likely to be chosen. Then it says to find the probability of choosing a sandwich at random and getting turkey and Swiss on wheat bread. So for this first question, we're looking at something that has, or a sandwich that has turkey, meat, Swiss cheese on wheat bread. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, I see wheat here, and then we're looking for turkey, so wheat goes to turkey, and then Swiss cheese. And I do not see this combination anywhere else, because if we look at the top of the chart, all of these contain white bread. The bottom of the chart here has wheat. The other two meats are ham or chicken, so we can't go with that route. So the only route we have here is wheat, turkey, and Swiss cheese. So since there's only one route, that's going to be our top number in our fraction. And then the bottom number, remember, is always the total. So we need to know how many different total sandwiches are offered here. Well, we have white, ham, and cheddar, that's one. White, ham, and Swiss, that's the second one. White, turkey, cheddar, and white, turkey, Swiss, that's two more. If you keep going, each of these end answers counts as one sandwich. So if you count up all of the end blocks, it adds up to 12 different sandwiches. So the odds that somebody would pick turkey Swiss on wheat bread is 1/12. Then the last one says to find the probability of choosing a turkey sandwich, and it doesn't matter what kind of bread, it doesn't matter what kind of cheese, just the fact that it's turkey. Alright, so I'm looking at the chart. I see turkey showing up here, and then I see turkey showing up right here. So it shows up in two different places. We could choose a white sandwich with turkey and cheddar. We could also choose white turkey with Swiss. So that's two different sandwiches there because there's two different cheese options. We could also get wheat, turkey, and Swiss. That's one of the options. Or wheat, turkey, and cheddar. There's another option. I don't see turkey showing up anywhere else other than those two spots. So this would be two sandwiches, and then right here that's two more sandwiches. So the probability of choosing a turkey, there were 2 and 2, so that's 4 turkey sandwiches. And then remember, the bottom number is always our total, which is 12. So the odds of getting just a turkey sandwich, it doesn't matter what kind of bread or cheese, is 4/12. Now, if this was a test question, this answer is probably not going to be there. We need to simplify it. So we need to divide by a number that goes into both 4 and 12. And the best number for that is a 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 1/3 of these sandwiches contain turkey. You could also see that by looking at the different types of meat. There was ham, turkey, and chicken. Turkey is 1 out of 3 different meats. So that's another way we could have gotten 1/3. Alright, let's look at the last one. It says that Gabby rolls 2 number cubes and multiplies the numbers together and creates the chart below with her answers. So this first column this first column here that's yellow, this is like dice 1. And then the row up here that's yellow is dice 2. And what's happening here, when she rolls and gets a 1 and a 1, we're doing 1 times 1 and writing that answer down to get 1. Or we do 2 times 1 to get 2. Or 4 times 5 to get 20. So this is just a multiplication chart, and it only goes through 6 because there's 6 numbers on a dice. The question's asking, what is the probability of rolling the 2 dice and having a product? Remember that product just means the answer for a multiplication problem that is greater than 16. So we're looking for all the numbers that are greater than 16. Okay, so let's go by each row, and I don't see any 16s or any numbers greater than 16 here. None are greater than 16. Right here, 18 is greater than 16. 16 is not greater than 16, so I'm not going to highlight it, but 20 and 24 are. 20 is greater, 25, 30 is greater, 18, and all of these numbers are greater than 16. So in our fraction, we're going to write the numerator is going to be however many numbers we highlighted. Well, we highlighted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 possibilities are greater than 16. Sorry, I miscounted. 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are greater than 16. And then the denominator is always the total number of outcomes. So we're going to count up all these boxes here and figure out how many total outcomes there are. We're not going to include the yellow numbers. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So there's 36 total different outcomes when you roll the 2 dice and multiply your answers together. Now again, this answer choice would not be here if this is a multiple choice test question, so we need to simplify by a number that goes into both 10 and 36. Well, I know that both of these are even numbers, so we could divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 36 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. Subtract the 2 with 1 left over. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So there's a 5 out of 18 chance that we would roll 2 dice together and get a number greater than 16. Okay guys, that's compound probability. We had 2 different things going on in each situation. Here we had 2 different dice. And then up here we actually had 3 different things where we had bread, meat, and cheese for the sandwich. We learned to look at diagrams and then be able to write the probability based on those diagrams. Thank you guys for watching.